Hello students, today in this video we would discuss about the topic rational numbers, and in that we are going to discuss today about the specific subtopics, that is definition of rational number, closure property, commutative property and associative property of rational numbers. I hope you all must be aware of all these properties, as in 7th standard you must have studied about the integers, and in that these properties were mentioned. Before starting from the definition of rational number, I want to recapitulate some terms related to rational numbers, that is starting from natural numbers. Now, natural numbers, these are the numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. That is, it is not specifically defined. After that, we come to whole numbers. Whole numbers is same as that of natural numbers, but these numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and continue up to infinity. After that, we will come to integers, that is, it is same consisting of the whole numbers, but with that they are also consisting some negative numbers, that is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to infinity. Now, starting from the definition of rational numbers are usually of the form P upon Q, in which P is integer and Q is also integer. But one condition is there, that is, in Q the value should not be equal to 0, because if in denominator the value is 0, then the whole number will be not defined. That is, if I write P upon Q, for example, in P the value is 1 and Q the value is 0, so the number in which the denominator is 0 is not defined. So, in this definition, I just wanted to read this definition, that is, it is a number which is P upon Q form, in which the P should be integer and Q should also be integer, but the condition is that in which Q is not equal to 0. Now, let us discuss about the examples of rational numbers. So, 4 upon 8, -6 upon 4, after that -8 upon 3 and so on. It can be infinite number of rational numbers. Also, I wanted to describe that if a number is given 4, then you know that it is a whole number, integer, but it can also be a rational number, because according to definition it is P by Q form. So in P by Q form the numerator is also there. So over here we can consider the denominator as 1. So it is again P upon Q form. So any number which is having denominator 1 is also a rational number. For example, -8, -7, -9 and all these numbers are also known as rational numbers. They are integers as well as rational number. So we can say that these numbers which are integers can also be rational numbers. Now we will discuss about the properties of the rational numbers. In that, the first property is known as closure property. Now in closure property, if any two numbers are given, let us consider A and B, and if any operation is being applied on it, let us consider plus, in which the condition is the A should be a rational number as well as B should be also a rational number. And if in both these numbers the operation addition is being applied, then the answer obtained should also be rational number. For this, we would consider an example, that is, if a number, let us consider minus 4 upon 3, and we are adding the operation there, that is, we are adding then, and if the